Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have an Easter carrot Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to take one of the wood carrot signs from the Dollar Tree and we're going to add driftwood to it to make a coastal carrot. I wasn't sure if this would turn out, but it actually did pretty well. The driftwood I'm using is vase filler that I got at Target. I know driftwood can be pretty hit or miss. You can also use driftwood that you find at the beach. One reason I like this vase filler is it's kind of flat and makes it a little bit easier to craft with. So I start with the edges of the carrot first, just using hot glue to attach it and working my way up here for the carrot shape, kind of like a upside down teardrop, I guess. From there, it's a little bit like putting together a puzzle because all the pieces are different. You have to see what's going to kind of fit. Some of these pieces were even wider. I'm still staying kind of up and down with these, but filling the rest of this in, sort of working in one direction with the carrot part of it. Now for the greenery, I'm going to do that part separate just to make it look a little bit different up here for the carrot greenery part. But again, just using driftwood and trying to stay a little bit vertical there with those. And if you need to pile them on top of each other to fill in any voids, you can. Or you can even leave some of the wood sign exposed in the back because we are going to add some color to this in a little bit just because I thought it was a little bit too light. The first thing I do is stain it very lightly with some Antique Wax by Waverly, using a brush to get some character in there. I do add more color to the carrot to make it look a little bit more like a carrot besides just the carrot shape. But that looks pretty good. For the base, I'm just using a longwood sign from the Dollar Tree that I cut down to make a shorter sign. You can use really kind of any craft wood for this. I painted mine ivory, and I'm going to make a base for this so it will stand up like this. You're probably not even going to be able to see it very much, but I use hot glue to attach it. I want my carrot to sit on its own on a shelf and be freestanding. And this did the trick, but it was a little unstable. So I am going to use a wood block here in the back. You could also use the Jenga blocks and just kind of reinforce that by attaching your carrot to your base there. It is a pretty heavy duty base, so it should keep it standing up. Then for the color for the carrot, I mixed some orange, I think it was pumpkin acrylic paint with water to make an orange stain. And I'm just going to go over the carrot part, leaving the greenery part brown. I guess you could also stain that green if you wanted to. And here it is, our little coastal driftwood carrot DIY using supplies from the Dollar Tree and some driftwood. If you'd like more Easter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to visit me at Crafty Beach on YouTube. And until next time, happy crafting!